Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I asked Wayne to say thank you for the recent subs and views. Anyways, today I brought to you a speed build of a pink and sage cottagecore messy house. This only costs about 1,000 bucks, so it is cheap. Anyways, let's get started.
It's you and me in this world. 내게로 다시 와 time me. 날 구원할 거라면 just come kiss me and bite me. You're the one song memory. 널 찾는 사포는 scream. 이제 나는 wanna hit a bit. 운명은 우리 다시 발견했지. Got me bad 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 나를 괴롭힌 뭔가를 찾아 헤매는 dreams. 떠올랐어 when you're next to me. 잠시 잊혀진 나의 이름이. Just come over and bite me. Come here and get some. 널 참미할 사 연결해줘 날 삼켜 날 yeah oh my god This love's pumping crazy oh my god Cause I know you save me Come here and get some 남겨줘 on my neck 네 거란 증거
Here's the final tour of the build.
널 참미할 사이게 그게 내 숙명 Just come over and bite me It's you in this world 내게로 다시 와 type me 날 구원할 거라면 Just come kiss me and bite me It's you and me in this world 이 어둠 속에서 light me 기회를 줄 거라면 Just come kiss me and bite me
Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.